Imagine waking up every morning in one of the safest and most luxurious places on earth, surrounded by private security, elite protection, and a lifestyle that most people only see in movies. Today, we are stepping inside the extraordinary world of a billionaire princess living under constant protection in Monaco. This is a life of power, privacy, luxury, and responsibility. A world where every move is planned, every location is secured, and every moment reflects status and influence. From the moment this billionaire princess steps outside her private residence, a carefully trained security team is already in motion. Bodyguards are not just protection. They are part of her daily routine. These elite professionals are often former military or intelligence experts. They study risk, analyze environments, and ensure that every journey is smooth and safe. Monaco itself is already one of the most secure places in the world. But for someone at this level of wealth and visibility, security becomes even more important. Her residence is likely located in an exclusive district near the legendary Monte Carlo, where privacy and luxury meet. The building is equipped with advanced surveillance, biometric access, and 24-hour monitoring. Only trusted individuals are allowed entry. Let's talk about her daily lifestyle. The morning often begins with wellness and fitness. Personal trainers, nutritionists, and health experts design routines that focus on strength, confidence, and long-term well-being. Billionaire families understand that health is the ultimate luxury. After this, the day may include business meetings, charity planning, or investment discussions. Many billionaire princesses are not just heirs to wealth. They are entrepreneurs, investors, and global influencers. They manage family foundations, fashion brands, or real estate empires. Fashion plays a major role in her public image. Monaco is a global fashion destination. Luxury brands like Chanel and Dior often collaborate with elite clients. Every appearance is carefully styled, sending messages of elegance, power, and modern royalty. Transportation is another key part of this protected lifestyle. Armored vehicles, professional drivers, and advanced security teams ensure safe movement. Routes are planned in advance. Alternative paths are always ready. Even simple trips to boutiques or restaurants involve coordination, but luxury is everywhere. Private yachts, helicopter transfers, and exclusive resorts are part of this world. The marina in Monaco becomes a second home, where global elites meet for business and celebration. Social life is equally fascinating. Charity galas, cultural events, and private gatherings bring together royalty, billionaires, and global celebrities. These events are not only glamorous, they are powerful networking platforms. Despite the luxury, the pressure is real. Public attention, security risks, and expectations create a life that is both privileged and demanding. Every friendship, relationship, and partnership is carefully evaluated. Family legacy is central. A billionaire princess represents continuity, tradition, and future leadership. She may be involved in major decisions that shape global business and philanthropy. Education and knowledge are also priorities. Many in this position study international relations, economics, and diplomacy. Their role goes beyond luxury. It includes influence. The biggest difference in this lifestyle is freedom within structure. She can travel the world, but always with security. She can attend exclusive events, but under protection. Privacy becomes more valuable than wealth at the same time. Monaco offers balance. The sea, the climate, and the peaceful environment create a sense of calm. Wellness, art, and culture provide emotional stability. So what can we learn from this life? The truth is that wealth brings both comfort and responsibility. Luxury comes with visibility. Power comes with risk. And success requires discipline and awareness. In Monaco, luxury is not just a lifestyle. It is a daily reality. And for billionaire princesses, every moment is carefully protected and elevated. Imagine waking up in a private penthouse overlooking the Mediterranean Sea, where sunlight reflects on rows of super yachts and the sound of waves replaces alarm clocks. This is a world where billionaire princesses move with elegance, confidence, and absolute security. Their mornings begin with personal chefs preparing organic breakfasts, followed by fitness sessions with world-class trainers inside private gyms that look more like luxury spas. But as glamorous as this life appears, there's always a serious layer behind it. Security bodyguards are not just part of the image. They are a necessity. Highly trained, discreet, and always alert, they escort these princesses everywhere. Whether it is a quiet walk through Monte Carlo, a shopping trip at luxury boutiques, or a private meeting at elite clubs, their security teams plan every move. Routes are checked, crowds are monitored, and every location is secure before arrival. Even their vehicles are customized with advanced protection systems. Turning luxury cars into moving fortresses, afternoons often include charity meetings, fashion fittings, or exclusive social events. Many billionaire princesses are also businesswomen, managing investments, luxury brands, and global partnerships. They attend high-profile events, art auctions, and international conferences, where their presence alone can influence markets and trends. Yet despite the fame, they maintain strict privacy. Their homes are protected by advanced surveillance, biometric access, and round-the-clock staff evenings in Monaco are magical. Red carpets, private parties on yachts, and glamorous galas fill their schedules. However, their bodyguards remain close, blending into background while ensuring total safety. These professionals train for years, mastering defense, intelligence, and crisis management. For them, protecting their client is more than a job. It is a mission. This lifestyle combines power, beauty, and responsibility. Behind the designer dresses, diamonds, and luxury cars lies a world of discipline, strategy, and constant awareness. Billionaire princesses in Monaco live in a rare space where elegance meets security, and every step they take is carefully guarded. It is a life of privilege, but also one that demands strength, intelligence, and resilience every single day. If you enjoyed this exclusive journey into the life of a billionaire princess in Monaco, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications.